we didn't sit down and decide this is what our strategic architecture was made of. We didn't put these components in there. We just inherited a whole bunch of stuff, and now it's not working, and now we need to revisit and rethink. And my thought is that long-term thinking, long-term strategy is one of those components that the companies just said, "Oh, we don't need that. Things are so good, or we don't need to think about that." What do you think of that comment as we close out?
Yeah, actually, the question is the right strategy. It's always the right strategy. So, whatever strategy you design, you need to be able to question it. Yeah. And what does it mean in practice? In practice, it means that if you find that certain part, certain framework is not working well, you need to be able to just replace it. Like again, home appliance. If your washing machine is dead, what you do? You buy a new
You
one.
buy a new one.
That's one. That's why. Yeah, new one which is connected to internet, whatever its function is has. It is has lower power consumption, and you can program all this stuff. Yeah. So that's the benefit of having electric network in our houses and the general architecture. It's maintainable, and the same happens with a strategy. If you found that some framework is not what you currently can use, not something that most of your stakeholders understand, not something that is generating insights for you, yeah, why not to replace it?